This video is going to be short and sweet, and it's basically just going to cover some things that I'm working on. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Mike here from Fortinet Guru. The channel's been a little slow the past few days. For a while there I was actually doing a video a day, and that's actually my goal and desire. But I figured a short video to discuss some of the things that I'm actually working on, as well as why the absence has been occurring the past few days. I started doing YouTube videos back in 2016 for the sole purpose of helping drive people to the Fortinet Guru website. And the whole initiative there was to help build a presence, help people come in and to essentially sell consulting for the firm that I was working for at the time. I have since left that firm. For the past 3.5 years, I've worked for the state of Alabama doing various things, and I've continued making videos as time allows, specifically to just help out the community, basically. I don't do as much consulting as I used to. I've found more interest in actually teaching and helping provide information to those that are out there doing. And so the channel's kind of evolved from that point. And I tell you all this because, as you've noticed, we had new intros and a little bit of editing. I'm learning Adobe Premiere. Total noob, so don't hold it against me. But I decided to spend a little bit of money, not much, but mainly because I don't know what any of this stuff is, getting some lights, which help allegedly improve the quality of the video. I did get a backdrop, some umbrellas and diffusers. I built the new computer, which there will be some quick footage of as I run around, but basically the video editing capabilities are jumping up. The quality of the image should hopefully improve as well. And the only two things that I really need to work on from here on out, other than being creative and being clear and concise with my message to you, is the quality of the camera. So I'm out there shopping for a camera and a microphone to help the actual video quality beyond what lighting and staging can do. But until then, you guys should see some improvements in the channel. The video daily post should resume tomorrow. Well, I guess technically tonight, since this will be a video that goes live. But anyways, I thought you guys deserved to know what was up. And I look forward to doing many more videos for you guys. The best videos, the awesome videos, right? So stay tuned. Continue commenting below with your recommendations, your questions, and the videos that you would like to see. That's where most of the list of videos that I've made have come from, because I want to make this channel based on you guys. I had something else that I was going to say, but it slipped my mind. Yeah. You guys have a great night.